another video. I had to stop it there because I just had to just think for a while. Look, I may be different than the rest of the kids in this world in my school, but they just think I'm just weird. There's nothing wrong with me. I'm just like any other kid, but I have problems. I have friends that care. Why can't you care? Shit. I'm on bed strips. This probably will be my last time. I'm not quitting. I might commit suicide tonight. I need to overdose myself. I just want to get myself over with. I just want to die. I've always said that ever since I was little, that I wanted to die. And I always knew that one day I will die. I didn't mean to make him mad at me. He'll never forgive me. I just wanted... They don't know what's on my side. They think I'm just faking that I'm sad, but I really am sad. I can't even talk anymore because I'm just so in pain. He hates me. I just know it. I just feel so stupid. I just gotta go. Bye.